Hi, here is 2 professional ways to install or delete OneDrive service. Use them if you don't need this cloud experience. The first one is manual way. Press WinR to open Run window and type this: C Windows System 32 OneDrive Setup exe, and if you want to uninstall it, add /uninstall. If you want to install OneDrive, type only the path for this setup file and press enter. OneDrive will be reinstalled, and after this you can uninstall it one more time. When OneDrive is installed, you can see it in the Explorer, and when you uninstall it, let's do this, it's disappeared. The next way is to use my program PC No Problems. Open Services, find Microsoft OneDrive app and click Install if you want to install it. Now it's working, everything was done in automatic mode. Here it is. And now you can remove it one more time. Click Remove and it is uninstalling. And now it was deleted. There is no more OneDrive folder here. Also, through this program you can find in optimization the point remove desktop from OneDrive. If your desktop folder is in OneDrive subfolder, you can apply this setting and it will be removed from there. Leave a comment, do you use OneDrive app, and the link to my program in description.